Hey, Sarge, it's him again.
I'll call Captain Reed. Sit over there, Mahoney.
All right, it's cool. Sit and stay there.
What are you in for?
I'll show you.
God damn it! Stop that! Oh, no, sir. No, not you.
That's terrific. Really. What's your name?
Jones. Larvell Jones. Monsignor Larvell Jones. M.D.
Let's go, Mahoney.
See you around, Monsignor.
Dr. Monsignor.
Where are we, man? Ecuador.
Introduce yourself around, man.
Take good care of my car. Bye. Bye, babies. Goodbye. Can you hear me? Do you hear me, Buster? Huh? Stupid idiot. Where did you come from?
Hi, I'm Douglas Fackler. I always wanted to be a cop.
Game over. Asshole.
You're trying to get thrown out of here, Mahoney. I'm afraid that's quite impossible. Now,
Impossible.
you
What the
will
hell's
learn
going on
first
here?
aid and
Let's see the
high-speed
comment
driving
about
skills.
this.
You will also learn the municipal code, and you will learn them by heart.
Cadet Mahoney, report immediately to the Commandant's office. Cadet Mahoney.
Okay, Mahoney, get going. On the double, move it, move it, move it. Now.
Lieutenant Harris, report immediately to the firing range. Lieutenant Harris.
Excuse me.
This is a hell of a way to spend my evenings. Boy, sure is quiet around here, huh? Okay, if we get in, sir.
I guess so. Sure, why not? Well, men, how's it going? I want you to give me a fix on the entire situation.
Not that good, sir.
Oh.
Give me the thing!
We'll be right back after these messages.
Today in music history, brought to you by Orville Redenbacher, the first and last name in popcorn. It was the Beatles' first release on their own Apple record label. It was the longest song to ever hit #1 and had the longest fade-out in history. It was the #1 song of 1968 and the Beatles' most successful chart single. Hey Jude hit #1 today, September 30th, 1968.
The best computer buys are at Wizards.
A powerful 386 computer with built-in hard drive and floppy drive, high-res VGA monitor, and fast printer. A complete computer system at a price you can afford.
That's right. You get computer, monitor, and printer, a complete system for only $8.95. And remember, Wizards has Oklahoma's #1 computer service department. You can buy with nothing down and easy payments are available. All major credit cards accepted. Only at Wizards Computers in Shepherd Mall.
Oh, what the...
Dad don't like when you miss payment.
You're late.
Hey! It's my green grocer!
Walk your beat, cop.
He thinks he's Bruce Lee.
You want a bet?
Damn you! Wanna fight, huh? Fight me!
Very good. Like this. Oh, not on broccoli. Oh, not on cauliflower.
Who's in here? Who's that? Who's that? I remember that voice. If I remember that voice, you guys are dead. Dead. D-E-A-D, dead. There's somebody here. Okay, who is this?
Oh, no, Lou. Oh, come on, Lou. No, Lou, don't bite me there. Lou, please, Lou. Oh, no. Lou, please. Lou. Oh, no. Oh, no, Lou. Lou, good dog, Lou. Oh, no. Oh, no, Lou. No, Lou. All right. Open that door now. Hey, you. I'm not kidding here.
It's really no better than television.
I wouldn't know. I never watch television.
Personally, I don't even own a television. Hungry, Diane?
For God's sakes, Michael, just take me home.
Jones, got you figured for an asshole. Never taking any shit from you people. I'm not going to start now.
You don't think, you don't talk, you don't breathe. Let's not tell you to. You understand that, boy?
Yes, sir.
All right. We're going to get along just fine. Did you hear that?
No, sir.
Oh, doggone it, we got ourselves a flat tire. Get out and check your side. Mine's okay. How's yours?
Fine, sir.
There it goes again. On! What do you think you're doing? Come on, spread him, spread him.
No, shut up! Shut up! Get out of the car! Hey, come over here. Toss out your gun, get over here. Now we're gonna have a little fun, you know what I mean? A little fun. Now, you spread them. You spread them. Now kick them. Yeah, kick them.
No!
Kick them again.
You're crazy.
You like that? Hold it. Easy, Joe. That's it. All right. All right, now get away from the car. Get away from the car. Who's this guy? This guy giving us lift? Maybe we should give him a little lift. You like that? Get out of here. Get out of here. Hope you're all right, sir. Really beautiful, baby.
Watch where you're going, lady!
Okay, you can start the car now. But if I hear any of those things, you failed.
2 minutes, Steve.
This is the police department. Helicopters ahead. Throw down your weapons, put up your hands, and come out of this cave. Nice, okay, now one more. Oh, excuse me.
We'll be right back after these messages.
Hey, you want a taste of our new album, Dr. Feelgood, before it's out in the stores? Yeah! Enter the crew contest. Yeah! If you have a touch-tone phone, call us on the Motley Crew hotline. 1-900-932-8-CREW. Yeah! You could win a personal autograph picture from us. Or a personal phone call to your home. Yeah! While supporting the Make a Difference Foundation. That's 1-900-932-8-CREW. Yeah!
I'm bluer than my suede shoes.
This will make you feel good.
Mercy. That's Bruce, baby.
One fruit party at the county jail. Drink from there and he began with. Everything else was riding on his own six string. Julio was dropping our hip hop playing. Let's rock. Everybody, let's rock.
That's right.
Everybody in the wholesale box. Who's dancing to the jazz rock?
My doctor said I didn't need surgery for my hemorrhoids. They weren't serious, and to use Preparation H.
Preparation H helps shrink swelling and often relieves itching, irritation, and painful burning of inflamed hemorrhoidal tissues for hours. Trust doctor-recommended Preparation H.
Oh, Governor, I speak for everyone when I say...
Let me assure you, Governor, Commandant Mauser does not speak for this academy.
Governor, what I meant to say was... Marshal!
Who did that?
Say, man, this place is crazy, man. Suckers always making me dance and stuff. What kind of place is this, man? I don't know if I'm gonna make it.
You're gonna make it just fine. Keep it down. this time, I would like to introduce to all of you my instructor, the man who taught me how to fight. Please welcome, if you will, Sergeant John Bernini.
Excuse, please. Shall I come back when all is well with your mind?
My mind's as well as it gets, but you look a little tense.
You see, I have great confusions about Sergeant Callahan.
Oh, you've come to the right place, brother. Grab yourself pad and pencil, because
the love doctor is about to speak.
One more ping out of you, Jonesy. I'm going to tape your lips permanently together. Well, let's just get out of here.
No.
Freeze, cop!
Uh-oh, trouble.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Love my videos? Buy me a coffee and keep the creativity flowing. Your support fuels my passion and helps bring you even better content. Thanks a latte!